Oh hey guys, I was opening this Running Towards review. It's like half done. You see it? I almost finished it, but this one is like not even open. So I just opened this with the wrapper open. I'm gonna open it fully, okay? Perfecto. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, I found a hand. Oh, I found another hand. Found a tie. Oh, this is pretty hard.
Where are you going?
So this is the eyes too. Just take the putty out. No. Oh wow, they didn't wrap it. This is the putty. I'm gonna make something like a face. Let's see. Let's flatten it. Make it like a square. Big fat square. Let's put that. Oh, it's a little
Not now. I need
sticky.
to lie down just a little bit. I'm not going right
Eyes.
now. I'm not going. I need to let rest a little bit.
Eyes. Let's put the mouth. It's like bread man.
It doesn't matter.
Oh no, my
What
mouth.
did you do with it?
Let's put the tie. Oh no, their hand fell off. Oh, and by the way, guys, you can get these at Five Below. So here's the man. He looks so funny. Okay, should we open this one? Let's put it over here. Let's put it back in. Oh, this is pretty hard. Okay. So now we're opening this one. Let's open it. Look, we have the look, we got the Ryan's. I forgot his name. Red Titan. And then we got the pyramid, I think, or something. It's like a building. Guess what I just found? Slime. It's green. I don't know why they don't wrap it. Look, guys, watch this. Gonna open it, open it, open it, open it. Look. Look at this. It's cool, right? Look, watch. I'm gonna make him stuck. Right. Okay, so this is how you actually do it. Let's put like this. Let it melt. Oh, and also look. He pops out. Oh. I'm gonna get something.
Where are you going? Don't do it now. No, don't do it now.
Okay, here.
Give me 1 second.
That's my sister, sorry.
I gave you everything. Can you give me a little time? I gave you everything.
Watch this.
I gave you ice cream. I gave you candy.
Sorry, I think that's a sister problem. Dun dun dun. You got to see this. I'm gonna show you in a couple minutes.
Just chill for a little bit, okay? We have enough time.
No, it broke. What? Oh shit. I gotta make it again. Sorry. Is everything okay? Yeah. This is my sister.
Hi. Besides, I was right here, right now. I was making the body scrub.
Get out.
I was making the body scrub, and now I have to wear my
Okay,
bathing
she
suit.
gotta go.
And I'm
gonna
gonna
go
do
to
my
the
next
sprinkler.
part. Yeah,
Bye.
I gotta go.
Bye. Sorry, guys. It's my sister.
Bye, guys. Oh, and I answered the thing, and she's taking a nap.
She's just taking a rest.
Say my sister's pretty happy today.
My sister's pretty happy today. Real happy. I'm super happy. Cause this is my first time on my YouTube. Oh no, I broke again. I'm gonna keep trying, guys. So yeah. Oh, I'm gonna show you when I get it. Oh, I'm gonna do something. Hey Google, play Dobre Brothers.
That artist is only available for Google Play Music subscribers.
Just play some
But
songs.
try this Google Play Music Dobre Brothers station.
Okay, look at this, guys. Look, guys. You see? It's me. Look, watch this. Yo, it didn't pop. Oh, and Ryan, if you're watching this, I think you'll be happy. I can show you my dog. Let's go.
Real cool.
Let's go. So first, I'm gonna put this one. No, I
Do it again.
no.
Did you?
Yeah, I did.
Did you do this one already? Can I play with Putty?
Guys, should I let her play with Putty? Okay. I'll pick up the puppy. Let's go. Where's my puppy, bro? Where's my puppy? Oh, there it is. Look, this is my puppy. Oh, I'm gonna bring him to the table. He's so tiny. Okay. Okay, look at my puppy. Put him back.
There's some slime that you could. There's some stuff that you could like put it in slime. You could put it in slime. Here, you can put it in slime.
Let's see what we can like put in the slime.
There's not tiny. Aarresh, I gave you already toys. I already gave you some toys.
I know. Oh. Hey Google, play Dobre Brothers. So,
Hey guys, I told you we are a fan of Dobre Brothers.
so I got I went to 4 stores today, and then from
That artist is
CVS.
only available
I got
for Google Play
this.
Music subscribers. But try this Google
We're gonna
Play
play
Music Dobre
outside.
Brothers station.
With this when I'm done with this show. Okay, one sec. Okay, this is for the So this is gonna be the last one, I think. Okay, I just need to say something. Can I? Hi. Can I open
Yeah.
the guns?
Yeah.
So my aunt said I can open the guns, so I'm gonna do it. They're actually water guns. Where is it? Wait, why'd you open it?
I did.
Didn't work. Hey, who's that Santa looking at? Take your gifts and give them back. Maverick merch is where it's at. Got the hoodie, got the hat. Who's that Santa looking at? You should drink more milk out back. You should get my new backpack. Throw away that dirty sack. Did you come to mingle? Or did you come to jingle? You know I got that blingo, yeah. Jingle.
Okay, sorry. My sister is gonna do that and she opened it. It's gonna be bad. What do you think we can do to my house? What can we do? Oh, and by the way, I have the Jeep 2019. It's amazing.
Throw away that dirty sack. He sees you when you're sleeping. Why you creeping in my room? He knows when you're awake. Who invited this to food? Why you feel like a balloon? Why you let me?
So I'm just walking around. I don't know what can I do. I don't want to go downstairs. Let's do one more thing. Look, I'll show you the Nerf guns.
Yeah, we have a bunch of Nerf guns.
I mean the squirt gun. We have 4. This is the yellow one.
This is the green one.
I'll show.
This
Green.
is the purple one.
Purple.
And this is the pink.
Pink.
I
Okay.
think it's pink.
Look, I got a Nintendo. I gotta show you. Nintendo Pro. Okay. Look, watch this, my fidget. Look, you see this fidget? Watch this. Okay, guys. Bye. I'll see you next time. And forever. Peace.